Why does people say, bro, I got it first try? Nah. Why did you say that, bro? You didn't even get first try, bro. Even me, I got it 5th try, bro. Bro, I tried 100 times, bro. I still haven't get anything in Black Spirit, bro. Just like anyone do. Bro, I got first try Kitsune. Nah, bro. Why, bro? Why you do this to me? Or you're just a cop, bro. He showed up the Kitsune. He said, I will drop it if you cop. He said he drop it, bro. Just like he didn't drop it, bro. Bro, why is this Black Flute players trolling, bro? Bro, Ben. Then he showed up his Kitsune, and bro, he get killed by level 80,000, level 800 by level max, bro. How did you get killed, bro? By level 800, bro. My God, bro, you're so bad, bro. This why don't throw fruits again.